개발자들을 위한 컨퍼런스는 없었기 때문에 개발자들이 들을 수 있는 블록체인 컨퍼런스를 만들어 보고 싶었습니다.
I love the focus here. I love the people that are being here. It looks like there's a lot going on. It's just been an exciting place to be.
The production level of a conference like this, especially with all of the developers that came together, has just been really fascinating to be here, and what a privilege.
For one thing, it's been the best organized conference I've ever been to by far. And the other thing, it has a very non-commercial quality.
I think a lot of thought has gone into making it a great experience for both the speakers and all the participants, and I've learned a lot.
Yeah, it almost makes me feel 20 years younger. The amount of energy, clockwork efficiency, the number of developers present here, all of that is unique. It's really exciting.
High-end.
Like serious and professional.
Sophisticated.
It's excellent and exciting.
Feeling experience.
Take the advantage, join here. If you're a speaker, don't be afraid, do it. Share your best practice. The people will love it, you will love it. It's a great experience.
내년에 또 만나요.